In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to make money on Snapchat. Let's get started. First, you should know that the Snapchat ended the Spotlight Rewards program as of January 31st, 2025. That means you can no longer earn money just by posting Spotlight videos. But Snapchat now has a new monetization program in place. To qualify for this new program, there are few requirements. You need at least 50,000 followers, 10 million views on Snaps, 1 million Spotlight views, or 12,000 watch hours within the last 28 days. Additionally, you must post at least 25 times per month and on at least 10 different days. Once you meet these requirements, you can earn money from ads placed in your stories and spotlight videos. To get started, make sure you have a public profile on Snapchat, post high quality content regularly, and engage with your followers. The key is to stay consistent, build your audience, and track your stats through the Creator Hub or Insights. Even though the old Spotlight bonus is gone, you can still make money on Snapchat by building an engaged audience and staying active. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.